Where does light appear through on the light spot board? In basic optics experiments, light passes through a small aperture or hole in a screen to form a spot or image on the other side. This setup is commonly used to demonstrate the rectilinear propagation of light, proving that light travels in straight lines. Total internal reflection occurs when light passes from which type of medium to another? Total internal reflection occurs when light travels from an optically denser medium to a rarer medium at an angle of incidence greater than the critical angle. In this condition, the light is reflected back into the denser medium rather than refracting. The text highlights the prevention of which items in Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu has implemented a significant ban on various single-use plastic items to curb environmental degradation and protect marine ecosystems. This initiative, highlighted by campaigns like Meendum Manjappai, focuses on reducing non-biodegradable waste that clogs drainage systems. While food waste management is important, it is not the specific item prevention highlight mentioned in this context. Water contamination is a broad environmental issue, but the specific ban on physical items refers to plastics. Air pollution is managed through industrial and vehicular regulations rather than a ban on specific consumer items. What is the effect of lightning's extreme heat on the air? Lightning heats the surrounding air to temperatures around 30,000 Kelvin, causing it to expand at supersonic speeds. This rapid expansion creates a shock wave that we perceive as the sound of thunder. While lightning does ionize air to create a plasma channel, the specific effect of extreme heat mentioned in atmospheric physics refers to the expansion causing thunder. Extreme heat causes expansion rather than cooling or the creation of a vacuum. Cloud formation is caused by the condensation of water vapor due to cooling, not the extreme heat of a lightning strike. The property of light traveling in a straight line is responsible for the formation of what? Shadows are formed because light travels in straight lines, a property known as the rectilinear propagation of light. When an opaque object blocks these straight-line rays, it creates a dark region on the opposite side where light cannot reach. What is the primary characteristic of the band of light seen from Earth that forms the Milky Way's appearance? The Milky Way appears as a hazy, milky band of light because it consists of billions of distant stars whose light blends together when viewed from Earth. These stars are so far away that the human eye cannot resolve them as separate points of light, creating a continuous glow. Which color is typically associated with the longest wavelength in the visible light spectrum? In the visible spectrum, VIBGYOR, red light has the longest wavelength, measuring approximately 700 nanometers. Because of its long wavelength, red light is scattered the least by atmospheric particles, which is why it is used for danger signals. Which property of light is described as light falling on a polished surface and being sent back? Reflection occurs when incident light rays strike a smooth or polished surface and bounce back into the same medium. This principle follows the laws of reflection, where the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.